Hey there, this is Jay Johnson with windowpurchase.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, you can go directly to my website, windowpurchase.com, where all my videos are located in one convenient spot. The video I want to do today is on locking mechanisms for sliding patio doors. The one featured here is a single point lock. It's garbage. I would stay as far away from it as possible. It's also easy to break into because it only locks in one spot and catches one direction. Your better locking mechanisms on sliding patio doors is they're going to lock in two spots, and one comes out and up and one comes out and down, and these are the type where you cannot lift the panel up and out of the door. You have the same system here, but what makes this system better than the one I just showed you is this is an extremely deep inset, which completely covers itself over this deep inset. So when I shut this door, it's making a tighter seal because it's getting buried deeper into the jam system. Now, some door systems come optional with the triple point lock, and sometimes it's mandatory, and that may depend on the height of the door. A lot of times on custom height doors, triple point lock is mandatory. Same thing on swinging doors. Most of the time when you have 8-foot tall swinging doors, not only do you have a triple point lock, but you usually have 4 hinges on the door as well. And there is your 1, 2, and 3 locking points. So again, pay attention to these details when you're looking at doors. Don't just figure, well, I'm buying a new door, it's got to be better than what I have. Pay attention to the locking mechanisms and other types of things that I point out on my videos. Anyway, thank you again so much. My name is Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe.